Hey dudes! In today's video, we're playing more The Joy of Creation. I'm not excited for this. Because we all know I hate horror games. I'm of course excited for this. We all know that I love horror games and I just rush through this. Gee, I actually do need to turn down my volume a bit. Like 50%. Else I'm gonna get my fucking ears raped. Ugh. And now this video will get like 10 views because it said the R word. Forest. Slender Man? I don't think Chica is very fast. I think like Bonnie is the fastest. Maybe Foxy. So we gotta. Wait, we can't sprint? No way, you gotta be kidding me. Oh wait, press control. I think my game froze. Game? Game? I might, oh shit, okay. So my game froze. But you know, fuck that. This looks like a bigger map. We're not playing with Scott today. He said some very no-no stuff. Actually, don't get it. What the fuck? Okay. How the fuck? Oh, this must be an item. So what, do I just automatically get jump scared if I don't find anything? Oh, shit. Chica. What was that? I can't turn left. What the fuck? What the fuck? Wait. It's not allowing me to turn left. Yeah, it's stun locking me. Look, I need to turn all the way around now. Oh no, I don't know if that's a bug. We'll have to deal with it. So I guess we need to keep moving. Oh, I'm finding shit ton of items now. I heard something. Shit. Chica. We just keep moving, dude. Keep moving, and also I think Chica works a bit differently. Yep. Why is the camera so broken? Chica. I don't know how Chica works. The camera keeps breaking. Oh, so I can't look at Chica for too long? Is that it? Or what? Yeah, I think I can't look at Chica for too long. Or else I'll lose. I think Chica's gone now. Shit, there's something over there. Item. The camera won't fucking turn, dude. Is that like something that's supposed to happen, or is it something I need to report to the developer? We might be running directly into Chica. Oh. You naughty. You very naughty. So if you look at Chica for too long, you fail. Which is interesting. It's not like Freddy or Bonnie. So that's why you're not like super fast in this one. Because I was surprised for a moment. Because I was like, how the fuck am I gonna... So Chica is apparently the fastest if you aggro her. There we go. 4 items left. Oh. Shit. Need to go around here. So if we keep moving... Oh! It's one of those! So we need to keep moving. And when the camera fucking breaks, we're dead. And when we look at Chica, she stands still. But we can't look at Chica for too long or else we'll just get fucking raped. And we need to keep moving. And it always knows where we are. Oh shit, I said the word again, didn't I? Also, join our Discord server if you're still watching. Also, feel free to leave any recommendations in the comments. I do read comments, I do respond to them. I'm not an NPC. I think we're actually safe for now. Chica might have despawned, just will spawn in front of us at some point. The camera seems fine for now. Where are these items? We're running out of time. Oh shit. Oh, she's back there. Oh, I see one. Now I need to keep moving. Because I genuinely don't know where Chica is. There could be some items around here. I haven't really checked this area too much. She could be right in front of us. We really need to look out. Oh. We can't stand still either. This one is actually not, you know, that's terrifying. Oh, you. Naughty. I can't turn around fully. Yeah. That's extremely strange. And I don't know if that's something that devs decided to implement. 10 seconds. And I see an item. I saw an item. Let's just try finding the rest, just for fun. I think there was 3 left. Does Chica break my camera? Is that why? What happens when I shine my light at her? Let's find Chica. Birdie. Is that there? Is that an item? Oh. I think we're alone for now. Well, let's just have a nice walk then. I don't mind. Let's admire the environment, you know? Going outside is always healthy. We made a full ass circle. Holy shit. Oh, there she is. Boom. Nothing happens. No, Chica. Come on, let's walk together. I can't look at Chica for too long. Wait, actually, let's see if I can stand beside Chica. Where is she? Chica. I think I saw something. This is stalking and it's illegal. I'm gonna call the police. Oh shit! Item. Now we just need 2 more. Then we can half complete this shit. Ooh. Oh shit! I almost fucked up there. I can't even have Chica in my frame. This camera is so strange. Yeah, because I can't turn around. It just locks the camera. Look. Right, needs to look out. Yeah, you're naughty. I know that. Yeah, goodbye. Well, I wonder where they could have hidden the items. I might have passed some. You might have called me an idiot because you didn't see them. Classic. Look, I look like a professional player because I'm spamming the flashlight. Oh. No, you're griefing me right now, Chica, and I don't appreciate that. The fucking camera won't allow me to fucking... Oh my god. And I don't know what's in store for us with Fox. I genuinely don't know that. I thought Foxy was the Force and Chica was something else. I'm not excited for Foxy. He's the one I hate the most. He's been annoying in every FNAF game. This fucking camera, dude. FNAF 2, he wastes all your battery. FNAF 1, you constantly gotta look out for his dumbass. And fucking... Where the fuck is that? No, let's just see if we can experiment with it. What happens if you just stand here? Did Chica come from behind? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Oh, shit. No shit. I see something here. It might just be the reflection. Oh, shh. You definitely did. Peekaboo. 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 Oh shit, you're actually getting kind of close. Okay, Chica. You ain't even that fast. Ooh. I do believe in karma, so I'm not even... You're very fast, Chica. You're extremely fast. Oh, we almost missed an item. Now we just need one more item. Hey! Don't do me like that. Did she become faster? Nope. You naughty, naughty. You very naughty. I think Chica despawns at one point when you're far away enough that he just kind of spawns somewhere in front of you. I think that's why the mist is there. God, this fucking gamma, dude. I think I've already conquered this level. Like, I can survive forever. I just can't find the drawings. I think I might have found all of them. Or am I missing one? Look, you're trying to... I know... Chica, I know you have a crush on me. But I sadly can't return those feelings. Oh, that's bad. Oh shit. You're extremely naughty, aren't you? Gee. You know what? Let's just get caught. I don't think I can find the lost item. I might have already found it. Okay, Chico. This camera, dude. This must be a design feature. There's just... I can't... Oh! Jesus. Okay. What happens if you just stand still? Let's see. What happens if I just stand here? Genuinely, I won't move. I'll just look around. Yeah, look. The fucking... There's just a part of the camera where it's just refusing to let me turn. I'm standing still right now. I won't move. I don't... This is actually kind of scary. I heard it. I heard Chica. I'm pretty sure I heard Chica. Chica. Is standing still just a fucking meta? Like, does Chica not spawn before you move? Oh. I genuinely... Did I move somehow? Let's just look in one direction for a while. Oh, one direction. And we dance all night to the best song ever. Who even remembers One Direction? Who listens to that shit anymore? One Direction went the other direction quite fast. shit. Hey. Okay, I think Chica just beats you up. Bonnie punches you once. Chica's just. God. Okay, I think that's enough joy of creation for today. Today's episode wasn't that scary, besides that one jump scare. But anyway, I'll see you guys in another video. I have a lot of videos planned. I'm just editing them. And also, currently I'm filming a few videos too. God, I filmed a lot today, actually. I'm pretty exhausted, so I might just go to sleep now. But anyway, I'll see you guys in another video.